Yesterday, I just made fermented tomatoes from the garden, and today I'm fermenting these colorful peppers as well. Actually, the method for fermenting peppers is the same as making pickled peppers in spring dishes. Even though there aren't that many peppers, for people from the north, pickled peppers are still a bit too spicy. I have no idea how long it'll take to finish this little jar of pickled peppers. But honestly, just having these beautiful colors as decoration in the kitchen is worth it. I've also shared a few tutorials on fermenting vegetables before. In my opinion, fermented vegetables are the second easiest fermented food to make after yogurt. All you need to do is weigh the vegetables and water, mix the right amount of brine, pour it in, and you're done. This time, I used a 2% brine solution. The total weight of the jar, water, and chili peppers is 1,180 grams. After subtracting the 500 grams of the jar, the combined weight of the chili peppers and water is 680 grams. Multiply that by 0.02, and you get 13.6 grams. That's the amount of salt we need to add. Next, pour the water out of the jar to dissolve the salt in it. One thing to note when making fermented vegetables is to use salt that doesn't contain iodine or anti-caking agents. If you want your fermented vegetables to have a better flavor, you can also add this kind of pickling starter culture. Once the salt has dissolved, pour the solution back into the pickle jar. Finally, you can add some spices you like, then place the jar in a bowl and press it down with a weight like this. Because we need to make sure all the vegetables are submerged below the brine. Alright, this jar of fermented pickled peppers is now ready. If your jar doesn't have an airlock valve like this, remember to open the lid every day during the first few days of fermentation to release the gas. Alright, today we've turned all kinds of autumn peppers into this small jar of pickled peppers. Even if you don't eat them, just seeing their vibrant colors in the kitchen every day will bring you joy. Go ahead and make a jar of fermented vegetables to capture the taste of autumn. I'm Xiao Tang. See you next time. Bye-bye.